In this video, I'll show you two best methods to change your Instagram password, whether you're already logged in or completely logged out on a new device and you have totally forgotten your password. Now for the first method are for those who have already logged into their accounts but they have forgotten their password and now they want to change it. Now in your case, just click on your profile icon here at the bottom right corner. Then click on those three lines here at the top right corner. Then select Account Center. Now here under Account Settings, click on Password and Security. Now here under Password and Security, click on Change Password. Then select your profile. Now here under Change Password, just click on Forgot Your Password here at the bottom. So now Instagram will send a password reset link to your email. So go ahead and open your Gmail application. Then open the email. Then click on Reset Password link. So now you can go ahead and enter your new password, and by doing that, you'll be able to change your Instagram password. Now for the second method are for those who are logged out on their accounts, either on a new device and have totally forgotten their password. So open Instagram application. Now here on the sign in page, just click on Forgot Password. So now land on the Find Your Account page. Now submit either your email address or username. Then click on Continue. So now a code has been sent to email address. So go ahead and open a Gmail application. So now open the email. So Instagram will give you three options: log in without password, reset your password, and a code that will help you to log into your account. So copy that code. Go back to the application. Then submit that code. Then click on Continue. So now you'll be able to log in back to Instagram account and at the same time reset your Instagram password. So by doing that, you'll be able to change your Instagram password. So if you find value to this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.